Hey, Chloe. How's your morning going?
Hey, Sanju. Pretty good. I was thinking about ordering food at a restaurant today. You know, sometimes it's fun, sometimes it's confusing.
Oh, yes, especially when you see a menu with so many choices. I always spend like 10 minutes just looking at the menu.
Me too. And sometimes I get nervous. Like, what if I say something wrong?
Oh, I know that feeling. So, do you want to practice how to order food in English?
Yes, that would be perfect. Let's start from the beginning.
Okay. So, first, when you enter a restaurant, usually someone greets you.
Right, like, hello or good evening.
Exactly. And then they ask, table for one or two.
Sometimes I say, uh, two? And I forget how to say it politely.
That's okay. You can say, a table for two, please. Very simple.
Ah, please is important. Got it. Not.
Then they usually ask, would you like to sit inside or outside?
Hmm. I always choose outside if it's sunny. Smiles, looks out the window.
Same. Outside is nice, but sometimes it's too hot, right?
Yes. Or too windy. I remember once it was super windy and my napkin flew away.
Oh no, that's funny, but a little annoying too.
Yes. Okay. After sitting, the waiter gives you a menu, and then you look and look and look, makes a dramatic pause, looks at the menu.
That's me, always looking. And sometimes the names of food are strange.
Yes, like I once saw stuffed zucchini blossoms. I thought, what is that?
Me too. I didn't know if I should try it or not.
And then the waiter comes back. That's the scary part.
Yes, then you have to speak. So first, usually you start with a greeting.
Something like, hi, how are you?
Yes, and then you say what you want. For example, I would like the chicken salad, please.
Oh, so I say, I would like not just chicken salad.
Yes, it's more polite, and you can add please, always polite.
Got it. I would like the chicken salad, please. Easy.
And sometimes you can ask questions, like, what do you recommend?
I like that because sometimes I really don't know.
Me too. And the waiter usually says something like, the pasta is very popular, or the steak is our special today.
Nods. And then I can decide. Sometimes I ask, is it spicy or does it have nuts?
Yes, very important if you have allergies or don't like spicy food.
I hate spicy food. Once I accidentally ate a very spicy curry and I drank 3 glasses of water.
Oh no, did you cry?
Yes, my eyes were watering. It was so spicy.
Okay, after you order, sometimes the waiter asks, would you like something to drink?
Oh, yes. I usually say, water, please, or I'll have a lemonade.
Yes, and sometimes I like to ask for ice. Smiles.
Oh, yes. Ice is important, especially if it's hot outside.
Yes, and then you wait. Sometimes it's short, sometimes it's long.
Yes. And while waiting, I like to look around and see what other people are eating.
Me too. Sometimes I copy them. Oh, that pizza looks good. I should order that next time.
Yes. And then the food comes. Yay!
Yes, I love that moment. And you can say thank you when they bring your food.
Smiles. Always. Polite, like a little magic.
Yes, and then eat slowly. Don't forget to enjoy.
Yes. Sometimes I eat too fast. I'm too hungry.
Me too. And sometimes we need ketchup or salt. You can say, could I have some ketchup, please?
Easy. And after eating, we ask for the bill.
Yes. You can say, could I have the check, please? Or could we pay, please?
And then tip. That part is confusing sometimes.
Yes. Usually 15 to 20% of the bill, but don't worry too much. Waiters understand beginners.
That's good. And then we say thank you and leave.
Yes, and sometimes I say, have a nice day to the waiter.
Smiles. That's very friendly. I like that.
Pause. You know, ordering food is not just about food. It's about talking, being polite, and having fun.
Yes, and trying new things, even if it's scary, like spicy curry or strange names.
Exactly. And it's also a good way to practice English.
Yes, I feel more confident now. Even if I make a mistake, it's okay.
That's right. Mistakes are okay. What matters is trying and enjoying.
Yeah, I think next time I'll try something new on the menu. Maybe something I've never eaten before.
That's the spirit. And we can laugh together if it's too spicy.
Yes, that would be fun.
Pause. Smiles. So, the takeaway is ordering food is easy if we are polite, ask questions, and have fun.
Nods and smiles. And don't forget to enjoy the food and the company.
Exactly.
Okay, I feel ready to go to any restaurant now.
Me too. And next time we can try a new place together.
Yes, that will be fun.
Smiles. Nods. All right, let's finish our coffee now and maybe plan our next restaurant adventure. If this podcast helps you learn English, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. We post a new video every day at 9 p.m.